Was it Quentin? I think it was.
Here's box 2, playing haters. Just pulled a number to 10 of 10 silk card.
Still drinking beer.
We'll crack another one. If you guys are from Canada, you'll like this.
Molson's better.
Molson is better.
Dude, I want the middle one this time.
I'm cutting this one just like I did last time.
Please be a full box top. Oh!
Oh wow.
Here's a box top.
Don't kill me.
I'm opening that pack last, dude.
That's like Ray Lewis game use knife, isn't it?
Yeah. No, that's not Ray Lewis game use knife.
We put Ray Lewis game use knife before too, guys. Is that Toy?
BJ
Upton?
Justin Upton. My boy.
Here.
Oh, there's like...
Dude, I have opened this pack last.
Rip card.
I got mad.
Alright, Justin, you're first.
We're all good at the same time, guys.
We didn't do it last time.
How we all finished this?
Oh, dude, we're getting this guy. Napoleon Bonaparte.
Oh, dude, I found a pack on the floor. I guess I did. I'm sorry.
Was that a pack from last?
Yeah. You always do that.
I found a pack on the floor. Is that the first? Is that the pack from the last box? Probably doesn't have a hit in it.
I think Joe got a hit. Yeah, Joe got a hit.
Joe Malley?
2 color.
Two-color jersey.
I like Joe Malley, man. He played for my team in Minnesota.
Oh! Electron, dude.
That's sick.
Okay. I'll play along. You want to play along?
Jersey. This is a
play
jersey.
Oh, and Adam LaRoche.
Man, he's
Two-color
nasty.
jersey.
Please.
Oh, look at this guy. I call him Kenny. Kenny. Look at that, guys.
This pack is the last.
Dude, that's sick.
Kenny. I'm cheesing my fucking brains out right now.
Damn.
Manny.
What you talking about, Manny?
Cabrera.
Oh, Freddie.
Oh, I got a mini rookie of Cabrera.
Please be numbered.
Everest Cabrera.
Dirty Sanchez. Oh, Freddie Sanchez. He played for Pittsburgh Pirate. They're nasty. Kiro, pull me a real card.
I would love to if I could.
Oh man, that phone's ringing.
Was that mini numbered? You didn't even look.
No, let's put them on a stack. We'll look at them
Yeah,
later.
it's my sister. I can't be talking to her.
I know.
I hope she doesn't watch this break.
Oh, Michael Phelps!
Michael
Oh,
Phelps!
Michael Phelps, what's up, bro? Oh, Colonel.
I got a Price rookie card
Carey Price?
from the Tampa Bay Rays.
Jason Bay!
Tampa Bay, right?
Oh, and another rookie card, Parnell.
Oh!
Oh, that's sick. Be numbered on the back, please.
No. Look at that shit, man. Don't do nothing.
What the fuck is that?
DK. My BFF. Rip
Oh my
card.
god, is that weird looking? Creatures,
Oh my God,
Legends,
dude.
Myths, Terror.
I got a redemption card.
Window.
I'm not kidding, I got a redemption
You're
card.
fucking lying.
DNA!
You're fucking lying to me.
Just look at it, Kiro. It's gonna be a spacer.
No, Tops Online redemption card.
Look at it!
Oh my god.
Ryan Braun.
Framed
autograph.
That's pretty cool.
I want fucking DNA. I thought we hit
Ryan
that.
Braun framed autograph.
Oh, look at this guy.
That's cool, man. Dude, framed. What the hell's that mean?
I think it's just like how it's a mini and it's in the frame.
That's still sick, though.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll play along.
Oh, dude, I thought we hit something big.
I thought we had DNA. Crack the code.
I got to crack the code, too. Same
Same
pack.
pack.
I got Black Portal.
Oh, you got something.
I got Bonaparte. Base.
Base. I had the mini. Ooh, Black Border. Anderson, rookie card.
You play for Pine?
Brett Anderson. Oakland A's. And to crack the code.
I got the
man.
last hit. Please be a nasty auto. That's Todd Helton. That's pretty sick. Todd Helton, 2-color jersey.
This is pack from last.
You done already?
Yeah.
Fucking skanks.
You done too? Well, this guy's last name is Veal.
Let's eat them.
Oh, and two
Well,
Popo.
You guys done?
Oh, Milky Way Galaxy? I'm not done, dude. I got
You're not
mad
done?
packs left. I got like 3 packs
Well,
left.
then hurry up, guy.
Fuck you, man.
First to last.
I'm having a good time.
Since we're done breaking cards, I guess we have to go out and drink.
Yeah.
Drink our happy and sorrows away.
Dude, I'm fucking pretty happy.
Ryan Braun, does that dude play for
Euclid.
Brewer?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's nasty.
Hudson. Higby again. Dude, John Higby is everywhere. Oh, don't.
I was gonna take it.
Hello, She-Walk. Can I take your order, please? Oh no, not the sea shrimp.
Oh, no, not the shit shrimp. Crawford. Miniature.
Alright, peeps. Well, see you later.
I got another pack, dude.
I don't want to show that.
Oh, you got Grendel, dude.
Oh, dude, I got something.
Are you serious?
I got nothing.
Better be a Rippy. I want to buy a Rip card.
Why don't we just pull one? Oh, faithful again. A-Rod.
Alright,
Oh,
guys.
Jeter Mini.
Oh.
See you, Muckle Rider.